Hello students, hope you all are well at your homes. Students, video lectures is the only medium of teaching in this present situation, COVID-19. Students, we have done lot many topics from the paper technical communication, but still some topics are remaining and those are to be done. So, today I'm going to discuss with you types of technical documents. Types of technical texts or documents. Students, you must came across with these names. Memos. Memos are like basically memo is used in offices for business purposes, and it is a reminder or to give some instructions to employees. Graphics, letters, flyers. Flyers are like these are used to publicize a product or an event or something like that. So these are for publicity. Reports, newsletters, which are also to give informations, presentations about certain things, web pages, web pages are designed by a company or a business house, brochures, which are also complete information about an organization, proposals, instructions. Instructions means how to do something, reviews means what it is all, press releases, catalogs, you visit like shops or you visit uh, showrooms, and there are catalogs for various things, advertisements, handbooks, business plans, policies and procedures, specifications, instructions, style guides, agendas, and so forth. Yes. So students, we can like divide these documents in three categories. First one is traditional technical documents, and these are like repair manuals, medical studies, end user. Second is end user documentation, and these are like designed mainly for electronics, electronic items. These are mainly for consumer products. Third one is technical marketing content, and these are press releases, catalogs. Now, let us discuss in detail one by one. Traditional technical writing or technical documents. These are written for professional audience, for uh, like person who are already familiar with specific technical area, and these are informative or instructional documents. Suppose you like have a startup and a like manufacturer wants to sell his products at your end. So you will see the product and you will want certain features in that product. So you will ask him to design that product in that particular way. So the person will like draw a diagram to that product for you and you will see to that. So whatever like thing, whatever design the person will send to you, that is an example of traditional technical document. Like a professional audience, these are written for professional audience who are already into it, so who are already familiar with specific technical area. These are informative or instructional documents. For example, programmer guides, repair manuals, medical reports, research papers, reviews, schematics, and memos. And the writers of these documents are technical experts of the areas. And these are written from one expert to another. And the language is very clear and concise, means short, in order for recipient to understand what the writer desires. Means what the writer like intend to say to the recipient. So that's why the language is clear. Now, end user documents means who will use finally that document, that is end user document. For example, instruction manuals are an example of uh, end user documents. Uh, they are designed for the public to help understand how to use an item. For example, nowadays we buy like electronic items, for example, a mobile, and instruction manual will be definitely there, and we will see to that and see how to install the SIM, how to switch it on, how to plug the battery charger, and these things we will come to know after having a look at the instruction manual. So these include operating manuals, assembly instructions means how to assemble or the parts uh, of any product, information booklets, troubleshooting guides. So writers of these texts consider what issues the consumer might face. They keep it in mind when assembling or using a product. And clear instruction is provided in these documents and solution to expected problems with the users. So the terms which are used in these documents are like used in such a way that can be easily understood by the general public, and so that the public can use the products effectively. And technical marketing content, the third type of technical document. For example, white papers and case studies. Technical marketing content means these are for the business houses or companies or enterprises. Like the company just want to make a survey. Why uh, why the customers like this product only, not that one. So these usually explain who the target audience is, what products are in competition with this one, why customers are likely to want this product. So white papers are used to view a company's progress, and case studies are for like certain products, like how much products like are sold, uh, what is the demand for that particular product. So these certain things. So students, I hope like technical documents, it is clear to you. And in our like classroom discussions, we have discussed. I have already discussed these like about technical texts with you. So you must have got it. What is your assignment for today? You have to write on technical documents after listening to this video lecture. So write in your own words what are the types of technical documents. Clear? Hope you got it. These are the sources. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.